Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource. NerdWallet, nerdwallet.com, is a comprehensive financial website designed to empower individuals to make informed decisions regarding their personal finances. It offers a broad range of resources and tools covering various financial topics, from budgeting and saving to investing and managing debt. The site aims to simplify complex financial concepts, making them accessible to users of all levels of financial literacy. The website's primary focus is providing clear, unbiased advice and comparisons on financial products and services. Users can research credit cards, mortgages, insurance options, and investment accounts, comparing rates, fees, and features from different providers. This allows for informed decision-making when selecting financial products that best align with individual needs and goals. Beyond product comparisons, NerdWallet offers educational content in the form of articles, blog posts, and tools. These resources cover a wide array of personal finance topics, including budgeting strategies, debt management techniques, credit improvement tips, and investing guidance. The website strives to equip users with the knowledge and tools they need to effectively manage their finances. NerdWallet's user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation and access to the desired information. Whether researching specific financial products or seeking general financial advice, users can quickly find the resources they need. The site's clean design and intuitive layout contribute to a positive user experience. A particularly valuable feature of NerdWallet is its personalized financial advice tools. These tools can help users create budgets, track spending, and monitor their credit scores. By providing personalized insights and recommendations, NerdWallet empowers users to take control of their financial well-being. The website's commitment to offering personalized guidance sets it apart in the crowded field of personal finance resources. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and make sound financial decisions. Check it out using the link in the description.